Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Undertale Genocide ending. To begin, you must commit to eliminating every single monster you encounter. This means no sparing ever. You'll need to grind in each area until the random encounters stop and the game tells you, but nobody came. Only then should you proceed to the area's boss. This is a crucial first step for the genocide path. As you progress, you'll systematically clear out the ruins, Snowden, Waterfall, and Hotland. Each area has a specific number of monsters to defeat before the boss. You'll face tougher versions of familiar characters, like Undyne the Undying, who presents a considerable challenge. Medat and Neo, however, will fall in a single hit if you've successfully completed all prior genocide requirements. To ensure you stay on the genocide path, always confirm the "but nobody came" message in each zone. This confirms you've eliminated enough monsters. Avoid unnecessary interactions with non-essential characters, as their dialogue can sometimes hint at a different route. Your LV, or love, should steadily increase as you defeat enemies, reflecting your commitment to this specific ending. The ultimate challenge of the genocide route is the battle against Sans. This fight is notoriously difficult, demanding exceptional dodging skills and memorization of attack patterns. After defeating him, you will encounter Chara, leading to the game's unique and impactful genocide ending. Be aware, this ending carries permanent consequences, affecting all subsequent playthroughs of Undertale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.